Hi lovely, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I make the trendy spiral sleeve. And if you don't know how to do this tutorial is for you. The first you'll be needing is your zipper foot. Yes, the left side of your zipper foot. Secondly, you'll be needing a matching thread. A matching thread that match the color of your fabric. Yes, remove the normal presser foot and install the zipper foot. Now thread your machine and that's all. The last thing you'll be needing is your spiral boning or fishing line. If you don't have a spiral boning, use your fishing line. I'm making use of a spiral boning. Now, one thing I should let you know that this is harder than it look. The total outcome is so beautiful, but the work, oh my God, God, the work is hard. Yes, it is hard. So as you can see, I have started the project. The first thing you want to do, you want to fold the edge of your fabric twice and top stitch. Then you slip the boning in between your fabric like so. Make sure that when you put this on your machine, your zipper foot has enough space to sit between your fold and the boning. Yes, that enough space. The wideness between your boning, the fold, and your zipper fold should be your zipper width. Then you can now start stitching. I stitch all the way to the end. Okay, you will stitch all the way to the end and repeat the same process over and over and over and over and over and over again, because that was what I did. I spent almost the whole day doing this. At the end of the day, I couldn't finish the fabric because my boning finished along the way, and this is how you are going to continue stitching all the way to the end. Please take your time. You can play some music. Don't get boring while you are doing this. You need some music, you need fan, you need anything that will make you comfortable when you are stitching this project together. So after 2000 years, this is what I arrived at. You can see how beautiful it came out. It was so fine. I love the art too. If I'm going to make this into a dress for you, my dear, your money is like 16 million. Oh. 16 million naira, because what is this? After spending like 4 to 5 hours on this is what I arrived at. You can see how beautiful it is. At this time, my bonnet has finished and I'm going to work with what I have. And this is what I'm going to use on the dress I am making. I hope this story was helpful and this is the final look. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.